Heavenly truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, essentially fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. XLMs in every practical sense, intraday volume all things considered, remains at $69,415,335 in a genuinely significant way. XLM United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, or so they generally by and large thought. Heavenly as of now exchanges closed 12 cents 03 December 2023. In this we will especially walk you through Heavenly cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, basically sought clarification on some things, facts. What for the most part generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Heavenly, for the most part is XLM a genuinely wise venture, which essentially is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Heavenly help and opposition levels and so forth in a fundamentally significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the XLM specialized examination, basically let us for the most part truly discuss the really current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437, which really is genuinely critical in a sort of significant manner. The very all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense really remains at $45,105,667,806, so Heavenly help and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which basically is very critical, which is very huge. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an especially significant manner. Various elective, while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents, for the most part lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions by and large show that the market for the most part is going in a for the most part fundamentally descending, heading for essentially present moment, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, an actually especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite enormous manner. Heavenly help and opposition backing and obstruction entirely are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, all things considered. In spite of mainstream thinking, support sort of is a level at which purchasers generally become decently more truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition especially really is a level at which dealers basically become move dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Heavenly, XLM, Heavenly execution as per price analysis market record, Heavenly, XLM, by and large is exchanging at 12 cents with an exchanging volume of $69,415,335 in a genuinely enormous manner in a significant way. However, XLM most certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.9% in the quite last 24 hours. XLM cost changes 0.01% throughout Heavenly value examination. XLM cost examination for 03 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time span actually basically made sense of underneath in a sort of fundamentally large manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving certainly genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense break down the future development of the Heavenly. So following all things considered, especially are the help and opposition levels of Heavenly, XLM, Heavenly Execution, as per price analysis market file, Heavenly, XLM, for the most part is exchanging at 12 cents, with an exchanging volume of $69,415,335 in a very most certainly huge manner. The MACD line in a real sense essentially is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, so Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of large manner. Heavenly financial backers need to in a real sense basically hang tight for any directional change over the pretty fundamentally day-to-day diagram, so support all things considered is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of additional in every way that really matters, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Heavenly effectively breaks its most memorable opposition level of 12 cents in a kind of extremely huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Presently XLM fundamentally has a practically the closest opposition of 12 cents, so XRP the by and large local coin of XRP in every way that really matters is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would for the most part help the upswing energy, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The purchasers could then focus on the genuinely upper opposition put at 13 cents, so the MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the very by and large sine line after a hybrid, so Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is very critical. The genuinely relative strength record, RSI, shows that the XLM coin basically by and large is in combination zone, as RSI especially is at 42. Exhibiting how the MACD line generally truly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, so Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they explicitly thought. While XLM's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 68.584 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal especially is pretty fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market generally basically is going in a pretty truly descending course for quite present moment. Which especially is genuinely huge incredibly. XLM cost especially is moving in sideways heading, showing how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an exceptionally enormous manner. The fight between the bulls and the for the most part bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other course, exhibiting that market examination over the decently truly last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in a very large manner. Notwithstanding, the financial backers sort of especially are sitting tight for Heavenly to generally explicitly take a one-directional action to